Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 4th of August, 2022. It's Thursday morning. It's 7:38 a.m. And I gotta go to work today, so I can't really trade today. I think we have barber earnings and stuff like that, so it should be a very bullish day in the market. But I just wanted to point out this on the Camarilla. This is the yearly Camarilla setup, right? On the daily chart. Well, this is the weekly, I believe. Let me make sure. Right, so this is the weekly chart of ES1 futures, which is related to the SPY. It's just the futures version of the SPY, the mini futures. So this is one thing I want to point out here. Let me grab the Epic pen. All right. So this is the yearly S4 on the Camarillas, right? It's at 4127.5. And as you can see, we broke above that, right? So we had a nice bullish run from, let's see, what level is that? Somewhere around, let's see. Oh, the low is 3639, and we've ran all the way up now to, let's see, 4173.50. So, and another thing to point out here for the bullish cause, right? This is anchored VWAP. This is the lower band of anchored VWAP. You see, we started here at the beginning of the year. This is anchored VWAP. This is the upper band, and this is actual VWAP, right? So right now the stock market, the futures, everything is very bullish because for it to hold above support and lower VWAP, right? We had a nice big breakout candle from there, headed straight towards S4, peaked above, pulled back to just above S4, and now we're bullish again today and running up, right? So this is a very bullish case, and we did peak above it already on S4 on this candle right here. We hit the 38% fib line and pull back. So this is another resistance level we gotta run into right here at what is that? Let's see. At 419, hold on. At 419175, around there, somewhere around there. Let me see if I could highlight that. Yeah, I think it's 4190.75. Yeah, so I think the stock market right now is very bullish because it kind of coincides with my thesis of the US dollar dropping, right? Dropping even further. So let's take a quick look at that. Let's go back to the US dollar chart. Let's go up to the weekly. Right, so on the previous thesis, the US dollar is in an overall lapping lower value on the weekly Camarilla setup and is running into key resistance zones. All right, so that was a daily analysis. Hold on, let's see. All right, so I got most of the stuff off. Let me take off the Camarillas. And let's see, let me find the pivots. Where is it? Oh, wait, hold on. Right, we're gonna set that for the yearly pivots. Right, we're gonna look back 3 years. All right, let's see where that leaves us. All right, so you can see it's very bullish, right? But right now we ran into what is that? That's the 50% level fib line right there. Let me make this bigger. Now that's the 38% fib line resistance, and you see these big shooting star candles. Well, not candles, but this big shooting star candle right here. Well, it's not really a shooting star, but it pulled back a lot, probably at the halfway point, and then we had that big flush down, right? So right now it's looking like the US dollar, it caught some support here, but I think we're going to come back down to that level, right? So we ran back up to this, after we caught support, we ran into this 38% level, and we're pulling back now. So I think we're going to come back and revisit this level again, right? And on as far as the Camarillas is concerned, that's it's up at R5, so it's very bullish, but I'm seeing some weakness starting to come in here, right? With this reversal kind of pattern right here. Let me make this bigger. I'm thinking we could probably get down to, for the stock market to rally, I think we could probably get down back to this level right here, right? And we could possibly break down to this level right here. It's possible, right? So we broke that upper VWAP line right there, that anchored VWAP. We broke that before and we pushed back up, but I think we could break down even more, you know what I'm saying? And that'll give the stock market a chance to rally, right? So that's my thesis on the US dollar and ES1 especially, right? So let's take a second look at ES1 right there. So this is the major thing on ES1 again. We're above yearly S4, heading into the 38% fib line, and actually heading into VWAP as anchored VWAP as well. So that's that white line right there. Let me make this bigger again. Right, so this is important here for us to be heading back to anchored VWAP and this 38% level. This is very significant, and we have good volume coming in. Volume is rising, and we could see what's going on today, man. You know, again, S4 is right there, and this is significant, man. This is a support level. So once we stay above that and we don't get that reoccurring sell-off that happened before, we're good to go. You know what I mean? And if it repeats itself, then we're gonna get that rejection right here, and we're gonna come back again. So let's see what happens. But I'm thinking bullish right now. I'm thinking bullish. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed.